Good day, grade 4 learners. Welcome to our mathematics class. So last module we have discussed about ordering numbers, comparing numbers, and rounding up numbers. In this module, we're going to learn about multiplying numbers up to 3-digit numbers by up to 2-digit. So are you ready, class? So what are you waiting for? Bring out your ball pen, answer sheet, and self-learning module, and let's begin. Target. When you are done with this module, you are expected to attain this learning competency. Multiply numbers up to 3-digit numbers by up to 2-digit numbers without or with regrouping. Then, estimate the products of 3 to 4-digit numbers by 2 to 3-digit numbers by 2 to 3-digit numbers with reasonable results. Jumpstart Lesson 1. Multiplying numbers up to 3-digit numbers by up to 2-digit. So may mga terms in use in multiplication. The multiplicand is the number to be multiplied. Multiplier is the number that tells how many times a multiplicand should be multiplied. The multiplicand and the multiplier are also called factors. The multiplier is often written first, but the position of this number does not really matter. So, parts ng multiplication tayo. So, mag-multiply muna tayo. 17 times 11. 1 times 7 is 7. 1 times 1 is 1. 1 times 7, tens digit yan. So, 70 sanang ilalagay ninyo, di ba? Pero, pwede mong 7 na lang. Tapos, sa tens place ka maglalagay. 1's tens. So, dito yung 7. 1 times 1 is 1. Then, let's add the partial product. 7, 8, 1. Ang tawag natin dito is multiplicand. Ito yung number na i-multiply natin. Ang tawag naman natin dito ay multiplier. Ang multiplier, kung ilang times mo i-multiply yung multiplicand. Ito naman ang partial product. Then, ito yung product. Yung multiplicand and multiplier, pwede nating tawaging factors. Okay? So, naintindihan po mga bata? Yung parts ito ng multiplication. Letter A. Choose from the box the correct factors that match the product on the top. Write your answer on a separate sheet of paper. Sa answer sheet po ninyo, pipiliin nyo na lang po yung sagot sa loob ng box. So, ito po yung product. Yan yung sagot. Hahanapin mo ngayon dyan yung factors niya o yung multiplicand or multiplier niya. For example, sa number 1, ang product niya ay 12. Asan kaya dyan yung factors niya? 7 times 5 is 35. 5 times 4 is 20. So, 4 times 3 is 12. So, ano ang factors ng 12? So, ang sagot dyan ay 4 times 3. Okay, naintindihan po? Letter B. Solve for the product mentally with accuracy. So, madali lang to kasi 1 digit lang yung multiplier niya, 2 digit yung multiplicand. Discover. Let us read the word problem. Mang Leo and his co-workers can deliver 231 coconuts in a day. How many coconuts can they deliver in 23 days? So, let us analyze the problem. Number 1 question. How many coconuts can Mang Leo and his co-worker deliver in a day? So, ilang daw coconut ang may deliver ni Mang Leo at kanyang co-worker sa isang araw? So, ilan? 231 coconuts in a day. So, what is asked in the problem? Ano ang tinatanong sa problem? Itibirbirukan daw. How many coconuts can they deliver in 23 days? Yun yung what is asked. Pero pwede mo yung i-reword. The number of coconuts they can deliver in 23 days. And number 3 question, how can you solve the problem? Paano mo isosolve yung problem? Ano yung gagamitin mong operation? Very good. We will use multiplication. So, 231 times 23 days equals n is the number sentence. So, let us try solving. So, let us solve. 231 coconut times 23 days. So, ang uunahin po natin, first step, unahin po natin yung ones digit. Dito sa multiplier, ito po yung multiplicand ha. Ito po yung multiplier. So, ito pong multiplier, uunahin natin sa ones digit yung lahat ng kwan ng multiplicand. So, 3 times 1 is 3. 3 times 3 is 9. 3 times 2 is 6. Okay. Dito tayo sa multiplier ulit. Sa digit tens. So, 20 or 2. So, 2 times 1 or 20 times 1 equals 20, di ba? Pero, pwede mong ilagay na ganyan. Pwede mo ring hindi. Kasi 1 tens. So, tens. Ibig sabihin, tens place siya. So, 2 times 1 is 2. 2 times 3 is 6. Then, 2 times 2 is 4. Ang tawag dito ay partial product. Ito naman na yung total product. I-add natin yung partial product. Bring down 3. 3 plus 0 is 3. 9 plus 2 is 11. So, 11, 1, carry 1. 6 plus 6, 12, plus 1, 13. So, isulat natin dito yung 3, carry natin yung 1. So, 1 plus 4 is 5. So, the answer is 5,313 coconuts. Coconuts, they deliver in 23 days. Naintindihan po? Okay, another example. Let us read the problem number 2. Arnel helps his father harvest eggs in their poultry. He puts the harvested eggs in 145 boxes, with each box containing 36 eggs. How many eggs did he harvest in all? Now, what is asked in the problem class? Ano yung tinatanong sa problem? Very good. The number of eggs did Arnel harvest in all? So, how many eggs did he harvest in all? Pwede rin po yun. So, what is asked? What are the given facts? So, ano yung mga number na nakikita mo dyan? Na gagamitin natin sa pagsusolve. So, 145 boxes. Then, 36 eggs in each box. Okay. So, what operation will you use to solve the problem? Okay, very good. Multiplication. Okay, let us try to solve it. Let us solve 145 boxes. Then, 36 eggs. So, what is the first step again? Let us multiply the ones digit to the multiplicand. So, once ito, i-multiply mo lahat yan. 6 times 5 is 30. So, 30. Paano ko gagawin yon? Ilagay ko dito yung 0. Saan ko ilalagay yung 3? Okay, I will regroup it. Okay, next. 6 times 4, 24, plus 3 is 27. So, 27
Lagay ko na naman dyan, 7, then carry ko yung 2. Now, 6 times 1 equals 6 plus 2 is 8. Now, we will go to the tens digit of the multiplier. 3 times 5 is 15. Diba? 150 sana. Kasi nga tens digit. Pero, pwede ko nang ilagay na lang na, hindi ko nilalagay dyan yung 0. Instead, ibatog kulatan. Dito ay anti-tens place. So, 3 times 5 is 15. So, 5. Ilalagay ko naman doon yung 1. So, hindi na to kasali, ha? Hindi na to kasali kasi nauna siya. So, 3 times 4, 12. Yung 1 ang ipa-plus ko. Plus 1 is 13. Okay. Another. So, we will carry again 1. So, 3 times 1, 3 plus 1 is 4. Okay. We will add the partial product. So, 0, 12, carry 1. 8 plus 3 is 11, plus 2 is 12. Carry 1 po ulit. 1 plus 4 is 5. So, the answer is 5,220 eggs. Okay, naintindihan po?
Explore. A. Match the multiplication expression in column A with its corresponding product in column B. Write the letter of the correct answer on a separate sheet of paper. Sa answer sheet po ninyo, letter na lamang po ang ilalagay. So, sa letter A, yung column A, andyan yung isusolve. Yung sagot niya, titignan sa column B. Pero ang ilalagay sa answer sheet, letter na lamang po. Letter B. Find the product. Choose your answer inside the parentheses and write it on a separate sheet of paper. So, sa 1 to 5, magsusolve kayo, pero may pagpipilian po kayo dyan. So, yung answer sa loob ng parentheses, sa panaklong, pipili kayo dyan ng sagot. May 4 kayong pagpipilian, isa po dyan yung sagot. Ang isusulat nyo po sa answer sheet, sagot na lamang po. Depend. How do you multiply numbers up to 3-digit numbers by up to 2-digit numbers with or without regrouping? To multiply numbers up to 3-digit numbers by up to 2-digit numbers with or without regrouping. 1. Multiply the multiplicand by 1's digit in the multiplier, then by 10's digit, regroup if the product is 10 or more. So, ang gagawin po natin, i-multiply natin yung multiplicand, 1's place muna, then 10's place. Kung kailangan po nating mag-regroup, magre-regroup po tayo. Then, add the partial products, regroup if the sum is 10 or more. So, i-add po natin yung partial products nila. Kung kailangan nating mag-regroup, magre-regroup po tayo. Letter A. Multiply the following numbers. Write your answer on a separate sheet of paper. So, sa answer sheet po ninyo, i-multiply po ninyo itong mga number na ito. Letter B. Use the poster to complete the cost of each order. Write your answer on a separate sheet of paper. So, may poster po dyan nakalagay, clearance sale. So, pants is 950 pesos, jacket 399 pesos, polo shirt is 475 pesos, t-shirt is 285 pesos, and cap 179 pesos. Quantity is yung bilang ng bibilhin. Okay, so, polo shirt 25, t-shirt 52 pieces, pants 36 pieces, jacket 35 pieces, cap 44 pieces. So, ang gagawin nyo dyan, yung quantity, i-multiply nyo ngayon sa presyo nila. So, hanapin mo doon sa poster kung ilan ang presyo, kung magkano yung presyo ng mga andyan. So, yung polo shirt, 475. So, 475 pesos times 25. Yun na yung ilalagay mo sa cost, yung sagot. Then t-shirt is 285. So 285 pesos times 52. Then pants, 950 pesos times 36. Jacket, so 399 times 35 pieces. Then cap, 179 pesos times 44. So ganun lamang po. Gauge. Find the product of the two given numbers. Write the answer on the upper circle. Copy and do the activity on a separate sheet of paper. Sa answer sheet po ninyo, andyan yung mga figure, di ba? Nakikita po ninyo. So, ang gagawin na lang po ninyo, ilalagay nyo yung sagot doon sa circle na walang nakasulat na number. Sa taas po ng dalawang circle. Okay, naintindihan po? Letter B. Read and solve the following problem on a separate sheet of paper. So, yung mga problem na po yan, isosolve na lang po natin. Jumpstart. Lesson 2, estimating the products of 3 to 4 digit numbers by 2 to 3 digit numbers. So, to round off numbers, look at the place at the left of the number to be rounded. Check at the digit to its right. If it is less than 5, round it down. If it is 5 and above, round it up. Change all the digits to the right of the digit to be rounded to 0. Okay, so last week, napag-aralan na natin yung rounding numbers. So, pag ang ira-round off mong number, ang katabi niya o yung nasa left niya, ay nasa right niya pala, I should say, pag mas malaki sa 5, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, ang gagawin natin is round it up. We will add 1 to the number that we will round off. Kapag ang nasa right naman, ang i-round off mong number ay below 4, so 4, 3, 2, 1, 0, we will round it down. Ibig sabihin, hindi natin dadagdagan yung number, instead, as it is na po siya. Just copy, then anong mangyayari sa mga number sa right nila? All the digits to the right to be rounded will become 0. So, agbalindan amin nga, 0. Jin round off mga number, di kaabay na, di right na, magiging 0 na sila. Kaintindihan po? Jumpstart 1. Use separate sheet of paper to answer the following activities. Letter A. Round off the number to the nearest place value of the underlined digit. So, yung mga na-underline dyan na digit po, yun po yung mga i-round off natin. So, nasabi ko na po noon na yung kunwari, yung nasa left ng i-round off ninyo, hindi po yun, anyakot-kot yun. Kopyaan lang. So, ang mapapalitan lang is yung right ng i-round off ninyo. Yung mga numbers sa right ng i-round off ninyo. Next, letter B, multiply the numbers using the short method. Paano tayo mag-multiply pag short method? So, we will count the zeros, then we will multiply the whole numbers. Discover. The garden club is selling bougainvillea plant at 355 pesos a pot for fundraising. If 46 pots were sold, about how much money did the club get? So let us answer the following questions. How much does a pot of bougainvillea plant cost? So, magkano daw ang isang paso ng bougainvillea? So, magkano, class? Very good. 355 pesos. How many pots were sold? Ilan daw ang nabenta na paso ng bougainvillea? Very good, children. It's 46 pots. What phrase in the problem indicates that an estimated product is being asked for? Ano daw phrase dyan sa problem ang nagpapakita or nagpapakilala na yung problem ay kailangan nating ini-estimate? Yes, very good. Yung word na about how much money. From that word, about how, ibig sabihin, i-estimate natin yung andyan. Estimate natin kung magkano. Okay. How can we find the estimated amount of money he got? Okay. The phrase about how many does not ask for an actual answer but an estimate. So, pag sinabi daw, pag nabasa nyo sa mga problem, ang word na about, how many, about how much, ibig sabihin nun, ang tinatanong niya ay estimated or estimation. The required answer can be solved by estimating the product.
So, okay, let us estimate. So, the given are 355 pesos times 46. So, 46 pots. So, the first step is we will round these numbers into the greatest place value. So, 3 yung greatest place value niya. Ang katabi niya ay 5. So, napag-aralan natin last week na pag ang katabi ng number ay na-round off ay 4, 3, 2, 1, 0, as it is na, kopyahin na lang yung 3 or any number na i-round off. Pero, pag katabi niya ay 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, we will add 1. So, yung 3, pagiging 4. Okay? So, since ang katabi ng i-round off natin ay 5, we will add 1. So, yung 3 magiging 4. Then, the other numbers will become 0. So, 400. Now, let's proceed to 46. The highest place value is 4. Ang katabi niya ay 6. So, we will add 1. Yung 4 magiging 5. Then, 0. So, let us proceed. So, there are 2 steps in estimating products. Meron tayong long method and shortcut method. Una kong ituturo sa inyo is long method. So, 0 times 0 is 0. 0 times 0 is 0. 0 times 4 is 0. Now, let's proceed to tens place. 5 times 0 is 0. Dapat dalawang 0 yan. Kasi tens place, di ba? Dalawa. Pero pwede rin lang 5 times 0. 0 na lang ang ilalagay natin. Basta mag-leave tayo ng isang space. Okay. 5 times 0 is 0. 5 times 4 is 20. Now, we will add. So, 0, 0, 0, 0, 20. So, the answer is 20,000. Now, yan yung long method. I will proceed. I will show to you the shortcut method. Okay? 400 pesos times 50. Let us count the zeros. 1, 2, 3. So, 1, 2, 3. 5 times 4 is 20. So, pansinin nyo, parehas din lang ng sagot. Mas madali pa, so 20,000 pesos. So, bahala na po kayo kung anong pipiliin ninyong pag-solve. Pwedeng long method, yan. Then, pwede pong shortcut method. Kung saan po kayo mas mapapadali. Naintindihan po?
To check if the estimated product is reasonable, we have to find the actual product and compare it with the estimated product. So, yung actual product is 355 pesos times 46. The actual product is 16,330. Ang estimated product naman ay 20,000. Reasonable po ba? Yes. Kasi pansin mo, yung 16,330, pag i-round off mo yan, yung 1, ang katabi niya ay 6. Ibig sabihin, we will add 1 to 1, so magiging 2. Then, the other, magiging 0, 0, then 20,000 pa rin yan. Okay, naintindihan po? Explore letter A. Estimate the product. Copy and complete the table on a separate sheet of paper. So, nakikita nyo dyan, may tatlo yung column. Yung unang column, yung mga number. Yung pangalawang column, yun yung rounded factors. And yung pangatlong column ay estimated product. So, punta tayo sa number 1. 5,764 times 28. Pag rounded factors, yung 5,764 magiging 6,000. Yung 28 magiging 30. So, 6,000 times 30. Ang estimated product naman niya ay, i-multiply natin ngayon yung 6,000 times 30. The answer is 180,000. So, naintindihan po? Letter B. Estimate the products by rounding to the highest place value. Do the activity on a separate sheet of paper. So, round off mo, then multiply. Yun po ang estimation. Gawin na po. Depend. How do we estimate the products of 3 to 4 digit numbers by 2 to 3 digit numbers? To estimate the products, round the factors to the greatest place value, then multiply the rounded factors. So, pag mag-estimate po tayo ng products, i-round natin yung factors to the greatest place value. So, ang multiplicand mo ay 3 to 4 digit. Yung multiplier mo is 2 to 3 digit numbers. Pag 3 to 4 digit numbers, yung 3, ibig sabihin, ang pinakamataas na place value nun ay hundreds. Kapag 4 naman, ang greatest place value nun ay thousands. Sa multiplier naman po tayo. So, 2 to 3 digits. Pag 2 digits, ang greatest place value nun ay tens. Pag 3 digit naman ay hundreds. Pagkatapos mong may round off yung mga factors niya, i-multiply mo ngayon. Pag times sum. Okay, so naintindihan? Estimate the product. Choose the answer in the box and write it on a separate sheet of paper. So, estimate po natin yung product, 1 to 10. Piliin po natin yung sagot sa loob ng box. Then, ang ilalagay nyo pong sagot sa answer sheet, numbers na lamang po na andyan sa loob ng box. Gauge. Estimate the product. Write the letter of the correct answer on a separate sheet of paper. Sa inyo pong answer sheet, letter na lamang po ang inyong ilalagay. 2. Read and solve. Write the letter of the correct answer on a separate sheet of paper. Ang gagawin po ninyo, basahin at isolve yung problem. Ang ilalagay niyong sagot sa answer sheet, letra na lamang po. Pumili kayo dyan sa mga pagpipilian. References. That's all for today, grade 4 learners. See you next week for Module 4. Goodbye!